Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the right app and granting only needed permissions. This lets the auto clicker interact with TikTok. Once installed, enable accessibility or overlay permissions so the tool can register taps. Make sure TikTok is open and set to the exact screen region you want automated, and lock orientation to prevent misaligned taps. Now position the app's control panel off-screen but reachable, so you can begin placing tap points immediately without exiting TikTok. Next, you map out the tap sequence. Add individual tap points for buttons you want to hit and arrange their order. Set precise intervals and delays, short delays for rapid taps, longer ones to mimic realistic behavior, then choose repeat count or a total duration. Use the app's test mode and run a quick 5 to 10 second test to confirm alignment and timing. If taps miss, adjust coordinates and spacing, and once reliable, save the profile so you can reuse it quickly. Finally, you run the automated sequence and monitor the initial full cycle to ensure everything behaves as intended. If something goes wrong, stop immediately and make targeted adjustments. Recalibrate tap points, change intervals, or regrant permissions if the app lost access. Make sure to reduce speed or add randomized delays to avoid detection and reduce errors. One key troubleshooting tip: if taps drift after scrolling, pause scrolling or lock the screen coordinates. Then retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.